This is Pat Walker of Mission Winners, and I'm doing an explanation video. How about that? How to do certain things. That's really the foundation on so many different places on the social media. How to do something. And in this instance, I'm going to show you how to, and we did this for the VIPs already, how to buy a stock properly on a pullback setup. And what I'm looking at here is Amazon. And I told the VIPs, in fact, I will tell you this, we actually had 3 web conferences at Mission Winners on how we do what we do, training and coaching. You know, a lot of people, they'll talk in a vague way. This is always my philosophy. I taught on the university level, and so here's the bottom line. A picture is worth 1,000 words. So why not constantly show charts, which is a quote-unquote a picture worth 1,000 words, and then explain the setup. Then visually, you understand the concept and you can transfer it to other stocks. That's knowledge, that's power. That's just kind of how I do it. So right now we're looking at Amazon. And a lot of people do this, and I think it's important. Don't look at charts after the fact always, because then you get a perceptual filter and say, oh, that was easy. Oh, that was easy. No. We need to train our eyes and our mind on what to look for before things happen. Because, folks, I don't know the future, and I don't think you do either. I don't know anybody who does. So we have to train our thought processes by studying charts before they trigger. So right here, we're taking a look at Amazon, going back a couple of days. And again, we made three webinars explaining with our VIPs how to do this. And I want to share this part with you here. So we're looking at Amazon. Slide it back a couple of days. You can see this is a nice tight pattern right in here, these 2 days. And I said, this is what I told the VIPs. If tomorrow price takes out these highs, we'll buy Amazon. We'll buy some Amazon. Advance it one day. Right here, it gaps up. And right there, we were buying. It did what we wanted it to do. And look at the volume. Now, this is the daily chart, but here's the nice setup. Watch this. This is what we were looking for on the 30-minute, and here's what we were looking at on the hourly chart. And you can see that nice line going across there. Take out that line and say, hey, that'd be pretty good. Here, I'll draw it for you. I'm like a kid with a toy. There it is, going across that line. You advance it, and this is through the close. Advance it. The first bar right there. And we bought it. We picked it up right there. Okay? Firmed up. Look at the volume. There's a philosophy or a statement, quote, I always share with the VIPs, and you've probably heard me say it on the Big Mission Winners feed. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. How do they vote? How can you tell? Volume. Volume talks. They bought. And we picked it up right in here. And it worked like a champ. Now, advance it. It's marching up. Nice. These are hourly charts, okay? And it's just marching up. Everything's great. Right there. Look at that into the close. Look at that power into the close. We love that. We absolutely love that. And matter of fact, I will tell you, we bought right here at 1945.61, right in here. And we bought right here at 1997.11, and I can document it. 1997.11 into the close. We bought most of our shares here, and we added smaller shares here. We always have rules and tactics for pyramiding. You don't double down. Oh, I'll buy 100 shares here. You know, and that's a lot, okay. I'll buy 20 shares here, and I'll buy another 20. Pulls your average price up too much. Rules of proper pyramiding, which is what we teach. Let's suppose you bought 10 shares here. Here you buy 5. You don't buy the same amount. Pulls your price up too much. Rules of proper pyramiding are crucial. So here's where it closes. We're in here, bought a little more here, less, and it looks great. It looks great. Advance it to the next day, all right? And look at that. There's the first bar. That is very, very nice. And what were we doing on this gap up? We were selling some into strength, all right? Then it does this. It flops around, all right? You can see right in here. Starts to march, And we're selling on these bars. We're taking it off in pieces. Okay? In pieces. And again, this is today. All right? Today. In pieces. Going through. It does this, closes, there. And there's the close. And we sold this off all in these areas here. You could say, did you really? Yeah, here, I'll show you our trade log. I'll put it in the window. Here you go. Sells. This last part, actually we sold off less than 1/5. We still have some left. Okay? Here it is. Here it is. There's the prices. And that's nice. That worked out really, really well. We sold some of it here near to 2,032. You see that? That was a gain of 78 points. These aren't percentages here. These are points. 78 points, 61 points, 62 points. And I know you could say, hey, it's a higher price stock. Okay, I'll grant you that. But you know what? 70 some odd points, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'm going to slide this back out so we can look at this. And you can see how we managed it. How we managed it. Now we'll see what it does. But here's the, as you can see, looking at this chart. Now let's take it down to, or take it to the daily again. And there we are. There's the daily. Picked it up here. Picked it up right at the close. And then we got the gap up. And what did we do? We sold off in pieces, as I just showed you, into the gap up. One of the things we love to do is, I'll share this with you. I stress this. It's not just to give ideas. It's to explain why. Then you understand the concept, you own the concept, and you can apply it to other situations. That's power. So you're not just tied to somebody that's like, I don't know what to do. I just do what they do. That's it. You want to learn. You want to learn. You want to make money. It empowers you on your quest to be in charge of your money. And that's one of my goals, is to help in that area, is to educate in that area. So I went through very, very slowly, but I wanted to show that to you, is the setup. That's what we were looking at, folks. The next day, that baby gaps up, and that's just the rocket's red glare. That's really, really nice. Buying here, bought some right into the close. Right into the close. You want to see something cool? Right here. I told you we bought some into the close. We bought some right there into the close. Alrighty? Our entry on those last shares, and I can document it if you want. $19.97 and 11. $1,997.11. Bought it down here. Bought more there. Pyramiding. Look at the volume on that bar, folks. People talk with their mouths and voted with their pocketbooks. They voted. That was the catalyst to do more. And we got the follow through today. And that's what we're looking for. And here's the daily chart again. Anyway, I wanted to share this with you. By the way, I will also tell you this. This is the honest to goodness fact. This whole move, I never looked at 5-minute charts. I don't look at the 5-minute charts. There's too much emotion at 5-minute charts. All right. Now, if you're a day trader, that's fine. And I'm not knocking day traders. I've found there's far more money made in a bigger picture trend. And that's what I'm after. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. And again, you sign up, Mission Winners, guess what you get? You get 3 webinars. Each one of them is an in-depth talk and analysis with charts on what we do. Spread out over 3 days. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you. And I just hope this helps you. I remember how frustrated I got doing this. I was like, man, I don't, gee whiz, I don't know where to go. This was before the internet. There was no place to surf. You know what I used to do? I used to have to go to the library and draw charts. Draw my own charts. You can say, good Lord, you're old. I'm not that old. But that's what we did. We did. And you know what? You got better at it. You get up close and personal when you're actually drawing a dang chart. And no, I didn't use crayons. So anyway, I thank you all very much for your time. I just want to explain this, what we do, and how we try to help.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.